Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be making fish croquette. This fish croquette is so delicious and very easy and simple to do. So without wasting much more of your time, let's get into the video. So for this recipe I'm going to be using 3 potatoes. I'm using Irish potato. You can use sweet potato, or you can even use yam for this recipe. It's so simple and very easy to do. So I'll just go ahead and peel my potatoes, and then after peeling them I'm just going to cut them into small pieces to make it easy to cook or to cook faster. And then after that I'll just wash it, and then I'll place it on the fire and I'll start boiling. So I have my water already on the fire, and I'll just add my potato, add about a tablespoon of salt. So here I have my fish. I'm using cold fish. Cold fish is salted fish soak in the water to remove the salt. So this is the fish that I'm using. So I'm just cleaning off the scales and then cutting off the part that is not necessary. And then after that, what I will do is to add it to the potato while it started boiling. So this is the fish. It's well clean. I'm just going to wash it, and then I'm going to add it to the potatoes. So my potato is boiling, and I just add my fish, cover it, and then allow it to cook until everything is soft. So I'll go ahead and test and try to see if it's soft enough. At this point it's not that soft. I'll just cover and allow it to cook for additional 5 minutes. So this is 5 minutes later, and now as you can see, all is well cooked, very soft. I'm just going to take it out of the water, allow it to sit and cool down, and then I'm going to peel off the skin, and also make sure you remove the bones very well, because you don't want to make croquette full of bones. So I'll just go ahead and remove all the bones and the skin, sorry. And then here I have the potatoes. I'll just use my potato masher, and I will roughly mash these potatoes. So after roughly mashing it, I'm going to go ahead to use my fork to finish the process, because you don't want to make puree with this or make mashed potatoes. So I add my fish, and then I'm just going to use my fork and continue mashing till I get the texture that I want. So this is it. This is the perfect texture. As you can see, all is well mixed. At this point I'll just add my chopped garlic, chopped parsley. Please do feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. And then I add about a teaspoon of white pepper. Add any seasoning of your choice, but this is the perfect way and simple way to do it. So after, I just mix all together and then add 1 egg. Mash all together and make sure all is well mixed. After that, what I'm going to do is to add about 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And then continue mashing, mash all together, mix all together, make sure all is well combined. And then after that, it is ready to start frying. So you test for salt. If there is a need to add salt, you add the salt to your taste, and then mix all together again, and make sure all is well combined. So at this point it is ready, it is well mashed, and then I'm going to start frying. So I have here my frying pot and I just added oil. I'm using groundnut oil. Please feel free to use any oil of your choice. So here we are. You use 2 spoons and try to make a nice or create a nice ball, and then start frying. So I'm going to be repeating this process until I am done frying. So you can make this potato croquette with any shape of your choice. You can make it in balls or any shape. This is the shape that I like. And then I'm frying this on a medium heat. You don't want to fry this on a high heat. If not, it will get burned outside, but the inside will not be well fried. So while frying this, make sure you make it on a medium heat. So I finished frying the first part and I'm going to remove from the oil, and then I'm going to go ahead to continue frying until I am done. So to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you all for your love. Thank you for your support. I really do appreciate all of you. And if today is your first time for clicking, you are highly welcome. Thank you for clicking. Do not forget to subscribe, share, comment. So here we are. I'm done frying, and as you can see, it is well fried, golden brown color. It is fried outside and inside perfectly. You can have this with your coffee, with your tea. You can have it as snacks. So I hope you find this interesting. I will see you all in my next one.